Hello, little dreamers and parents! Welcome to Tiny Tales and Tunes, where every night is filled with magical bedtime stories. If you love these cozy stories, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps our tiny team so much, and we can't wait to bring you more adventures. Now, let's snuggle in and get ready for tonight's story.
Hello, little dreamers. Tonight, we'll follow a wise night owl who carries a lantern to guide lost dreams. Snuggle in, take a deep breath, and let the glow of the lantern lead you through the quiet night. Deep in the forest, a gentle night owl perched atop an old oak tree. Its feathers shimmered in silver moonlight, and in its claws, it held a small lantern glowing warmly. The lantern's light flickered gently, carrying whispers of dreams that had wandered too far from home. A soft, echoing voice whispered, "The night owl carries the lost dreams of the world. Tonight, it needs a friend to help guide them safely. Will you follow?" The child stepped quietly into the forest, following the owl as it flitted from branch to branch. Each time the lantern's glow touched a wandering dream, a tiny sparkling orb, the child reached out, lifting it gently and guiding it back into the lantern's warm light. They wandered along moonlit paths, past glowing mushrooms, whispering streams, and softly swaying trees. Tiny fireflies danced alongside, their lights mingling with the lantern's glow, and every step felt calm and magical. Finally, all the lost dreams were safely gathered in the lantern. The night owl spread its wings, and together they soared above the forest, the lantern casting gentle light across the treetops. The soft voice returned. "You've helped guide the dreams tonight. Remember, kindness and careful attention can light the way even in the darkest places." The owl landed back in its tree, its lantern glowing warmly. The child returned home, feeling calm, proud, and peaceful. Outside, the stars twinkled softly, as if thanking them for the gentle magic they had shared. And so, little dreamers, remember that gentle hearts can guide others safely through the night. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and drift into dreams with lanterns that carry hope and light.
If you or your little ones enjoy this story, please give our video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to our tiny team and helps us bring more magical bedtime stories to you. Once again, sweet dreams, and thank you for being part of our storytelling family.